Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is mathematical reasoning. A sentence is called mathematically acceptable statement if it is either true or false, but not both. Now example 1, 8 less than 6. This is false statement because 8 greater than 6. Hence, it is a statement. Example 2. The sum of the two positive numbers is a positive. This is true. Hence, it is a statement. Not statement. Not 100% sure. Example 1. Mathematics is fun. Okay, now here this sentence is subjective in the sense that for those who like mathematics it may be fun, but for others it may not be. This means given sentence is not always true. Hence, it is not a statement. Example 2. Girls are not smarter than boys. This sentence is subjective in the sense that for some girls are smarter than boys, some boys are smarter than girls. This means given sentence is not always true. Hence, it is not a statement. Negation of a statement. The denial of a statement is called the negation of a statement. If P is a statement, then the negation of P is denoted by not P. Now here read as not P. Example, let P is equal to diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Now negation P is equal to diagonals of a rectangle are not equal. This also may be written as it if false that diagonals of a rectangle are equal, and also can be written as there is at least one rectangle whose diagonals are not equal. Compound statement and component statement. What is a compound statement? A compound statement is a statement which is made up two or more statements. Each statement is called component statement. Example, 7 is odd number is one of the component statement. 7 is prime number is one of the another component statement. 7 is both odd and prime. It is a compound statement. Now number of component statements is equal to compound statement. Connectivities. What is a connectivities? The words and or are called connectivities. Quantifiers. What is a quantifiers? The words there exist for all are called quantifiers. Implications. What is a implications? The words if, then, if and only if are called implications. Logical connectivities are logical operators. Now here connective, symbol, nature of the compound statement formed by using the connective. Okay, now here first one and, conjunction, or, disjunction, if then, implication or conditional, if and only if, equivalence or biconditional or by implication, not, negation.